How to create Facebook page officially and earn money. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Facebook application. Here, make sure you're logged in to your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen and then scroll down. Tap on see more option and here you can see the option of pages. So tap on pages. And as you tap on pages, so here you can see the option of create. So tap on create and here you can just tap on get started and here you can mention your page name. You can select let's select the page name over here and then tap on next. And as you type on next, here you need to search for categories and as you describe your category and then verify yourself, you'll be able to create your Facebook page officially and earn money. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.